Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. Today I want to show you another Tunisian stitch, and it's the Tunisian half double crochet stitch. And it looks like this. It's a little bit thicker. It's a nice warm stitch. So this is the front and this is the back. I'm going to show you how you can crochet this stitch. I've got some yarn and still I have a normal crochet hook because I'm saving up for some metal Tunisian hooks. I do have wooden Tunisian hooks, but I don't really like how they crochet, so for this swatch I'm just going to show you how you can crochet it with a normal crochet hook. So first going to make a slip knot, and then you need to chain any number of chains how wide you want your crochet work to be. So for me it's a very small part over here. And with the previous Tunisian stitches I showed you, you have to put your hook in the next stitch and draw up a loop. But now first, like you would make a normal half double crochet, yarn over, skip that first stitch, in the next one, draw up a loop. So yarn over, into the next stitch, draw up a loop. And this is what you want to do for the rest of this row. So yarn over, into the next stitch, draw up a loop. Yarn over, into the next stitch, draw up a loop. Yarn over, into the next stitch, draw up a loop. Yarn over, in the next stitch, draw up a loop. Yarn over and into the last stitch, draw up a loop. And you can see you have more loops on your hook than when you would be when you are crocheting another Tunisian stitch, which I showed you in the previous videos. So it's almost doubled up in loops on your hook. So now yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook so your edges will be nice and straight. And in the previous video you saw that I did yarn over, pull through 2 loops, but now we want to pull it through 3 loops like you would when you are making a half double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook. And do that until you are at the beginning of this row. So just yarn over, pull through 3. And now you can see we have 2 vertical bars next to each other because the first stitch we're going to skip, and there's also a next bar over here. And then for the next stitches you can see here the vertical bar. There are 2 next to each other over here. You need to put your hook through both vertical bars. So yarn over first because it's a half double crochet stitch. Yarn over first and go through both vertical bars and draw up a loop. Yarn over, go to the next 2 vertical bars, draw up a loop. Yarn over, go to the next 2 vertical bars and draw up a loop. Yarn over, go to the next 2 vertical bars, draw up a loop. Yarn over, go to the next 2 vertical bars, draw up a loop, and now I'm at the end with the last 2 vertical bars, draw up a loop. And now you still need to yarn over, turn your work until you are at the side stitch here, over here, and put your hook through both loops on the sides and draw up a loop. And now again yarn over and pull through the first loop on your hook so your sides will be nice and straight. And now yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, pull through 3 until you are at the beginning. I'm going to show you one more time a little bit faster. Yarn over and skip that first stitch over here and into the next 2 vertical bars, draw up a loop. Yarn over, next 2 vertical bars over here, draw up a loop. Also at the last stitch over here. Now yarn over and into the side stitch, both loops, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and now yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, etc. And if you want to bind off this this stitch, now you need to make slip stitches. So leave that loop on your hook and go to the first stitch over here, both vertical bars, yarn over, pull through both vertical bars and to the loop on your hook. So you're gonna make a slip stitch. So through the next 2 vertical bars, put your hook through there, yarn over, pull through those stitches and onto the loop on your hook. So slip stitch all the way across this row. And also into the side. Make a slip stitch. And then your work is bound off. So this is how it looks. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.